Today on SETC we have series 2 of these awesome My Little Pony Chibis, and these were sent to us by Wheel of Fine. So we've received a full set of the series 2 Chibis, and we also received 8 of these brand new display cases. And as you can see, we have our entire series 1 collection inside of the cases. So let's take a look at our brand new Chibis. So as you can see, the packaging is completely different from series 1 as they come in their display cases. As you can see, series 1 and the Applejack figure came in these cute little boxes. So as I said before, the packaging is completely different for this series. And just look how adorable all the ponies look. So if you are looking to purchase these vinyl figures, all the details will be in the description box below. So let's go ahead and take a look at them all. So here we have the brand new display case, which is plastic and really sturdy. So our first Chibi is Princess Luna. Oh, just look how cute she is. I really love how they've given her a glittery mane and tail. That is so cute. Next up we have the adorable Lyra. Oh, she just looks super cute and I love the pose she's in. So she has her cutie mark. And just look at those adorable eyes. Oh my goodness. Up next we have Octavia. And she looks awesome. So she's playing her cello. And just look at the detailing on it. Oh my goodness, that is amazing. Next up we have Rainbow Dash. And as you can see, she's flying. She is so awesome. And just look how bright her mane and tail is. Whoa! Our fifth Chibi is Fluttershy. Now if you can remember from series 1, we got Flutterbat. So let's have a quick comparison of those two. So you can see there's a big difference between those two figures. We have the super adorable Fluttershy, and Flutterbat is just looking awesome as well. You can see we have the different shaped wings, the hairs are dark pink, and of course the eyes. And our final Chibi for today is the absolutely beautiful Princess Celestia. And as with Luna, her mane and tail is glittery. Oh, that is so pretty. Just look at her eyes. Oh my goodness. Now another thing I do love about these cases is that they are stackable. So as you can see, the top we have these little notches and they fit nicely into these holes. That is so cool. And there you go, there's our series 2 My Little Pony Chibis, and once again a big thank you to Wheel of Fine for sending us this set to review. So give us a big thumbs up if you like My Little Pony, and pop a comment below letting us know who you're looking forward to seeing in Series 3. I'm really hoping we have a Starlight Glimmer and a Trixie. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.